learn how to make a single crochet stitch. We start off by putting our needle into a knot. I made a knot on the yarn, and then we'll make a chain stitch. If you don't know how to make a chain stitch, you can watch our previous video. So now I'll make a chain. We have our chain stitch ready, and now we'll do our single crochet stitch. First, we have to leave the first loop on the chain, and then we have to move to the next one. We'll insert our needle through the second chain from the needle, like this. And then we have to yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Loosen it. We have 2 loops on our needle, as you can see. We have to yarn over again and pull through only the first loop on our needle. We have again 2 loops on our needle. Now we have to yarn over again and pull through both the loops. And we are done with our single crochet stitch. I'll do it again for the next loop. We have done our single crochet in the first loop. Now we'll move on to the next one. Insert your needle into the next loop like this. Yarn over, pull through the loop. We have 2 loops on the needle. Again we'll yarn over and pull through the first loop, and again we'll pull through both the loops. And there we go. We have another single crochet stitch. Again we'll move on to the next loop, the adjacent one to the one we just made, this one. We'll insert the loop, the needle, and we'll yarn over and pull through, and we'll yarn over and pull through the first loop, and we'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. Yes, I'll continue doing it for all the loops on our chain till we reach the end, and I'll show you how it looks. And there we go. We have our single crochet ready. This is how it looks. We can do this for as many chain as we want. We can make a long chain for making bags or pouches or whatever you want. It's a pretty useful stitch in crochet and very essential to learn this. In our next video, I'll be teaching how to make a double crochet stitch.